is one of the games which I needed ukuthi ngithathe idolo ngiguqele ngamadolo and just take a moment ukuthi ngipray. And last time I actually did that, it was when we were playing Nedbank Cup final against Orlando Pirates, but this time it was a bit different because I started to praying in 90 minutes vele yabo maqeda vele match kuphela ngithandazela vele for ama penalties, and somehow I just want to take this opportunity to be grateful to the Almighty Lord himself vele yabo ukuthi like imithandazo yami iphendulekile with Peterson saving one of my penalties. And recently, like lately, like Kaizer Chiefs has not been good with like penalties, and congratulations to all the boys available for actually scoring all the penalties. And I just love to say congratulations also to Orlando Pirates for getting to like a next step. Like group stages with winning the match with 4 goals today, but unfortunately I couldn't watch match because they were playing at the same time available with Mpofana. And let's hope it's gonna be a peaceful weekend. If Mamelodi Sundowns also they win available tonight as they are about to play right now, more 18. So